Hi there. You might know me from my This Day in History videos, or maybe from some of the other videos I do, craft things, around the house things, various other items that I've done videos on before. But I have shied away from current events because there are plenty of outlets out there where you can get more news than you can process about what's going on in the world today. But I did come upon a few items that I thought worth reporting. Now, as you might know, I live in Fort Worth, and the city of Fort Worth publishes an email newsletter every business day, And usually it has 4 or 5, maybe 6 items in it that are of particular interest to specific groups of people. But I saw this one and I thought this one has a little bit wider range than just a neighborhood in Fort Worth. And it is the headline says tax abatement approved for MP Materials Magnet Factory in Fort Worth. This was published on January 26, 2022. It says that the City Council unanimously approved a tax abatement agreement this week with MP Materials Corporation, which will build its rare earth metal, alloy, and magnet manufacturing facility in Fort Worth. The company has entered an agreement with General Motors to supply U.S. sourced and manufactured rare earth materials, alloy, and finished magnets for the electric motors in more than a dozen automobile models beginning in 2023. Yeah, GM needs to get on the stick because Tesla's leaving them in the dust so far. So GM needs to get on the stick. So this will be good. In Fort Worth, MP Materials will develop a 200,000 square foot greenfield metal alloy and neodymium iron boron magnet manufacturing facility. Neodymium. It's this word right here. Neodymium.
Neodymium.
Neodymium. Easy as pie. Neodymium. All right. Neodymium iron boron magnets manufacturing facility, which will serve as the business and engineering headquarters for its growing magnetics division, MP Magnetics. The facility will create more than 100 skilled jobs and be located in the Alliance, Texas development in far north Fort Worth. And I know right where that is. The project is anticipated to result in at least $100 million in real and business personal property investment, $40 million in construction costs, and $60 million in business personal property that will be installed at the facilities. NdFeB permanent magnets are critical inputs to the electric motors and generators that enable electric vehicles, robots, wind turbines, drones, defense systems, and other technologies to transform electricity into motion and motion into electricity. Although development of permanent magnets originated in the United States, the U.S. has virtually no capacity to produce sintered NdFeB magnets today. Like semiconductors, which became linked to virtually every aspect of life as computers and software proliferated, NdFeB magnets are fundamental building blocks in modern technologies and will increase in importance as the global economy electrifies and decarbonizes. So there you have it. And there's a picture. Let's see if we can make that bigger. That looks like an artist's rendering of the facility. And notice they have solar panels over the parking. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, so that's the thing that I wanted to tell you about today, that a magnet factory is coming to Fort Worth. They make it like the news is the tax abatement, but the real news is that the magnet factory is coming to Fort Worth. All righty. I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.